This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Yely Portillo. Nicely updated one-story home in a great location near Medical Center, NRG and Downtown. New granite countertops, new white cabinets and stainless steel appliances. Other features include new roof, installed in 10-2020. New luxury vinyl flooring throughout the house, fresh paint from baseboard to ceilings. Huge backyard 12,288 SQF with plenty of shade for outdoor entertainment. Price to sell. Make an appointment today and come take a look at this gorgeous home. For more information, review the details below or contact Yely Portillo at 281-392-9272.